One of the most critical PCBA analysis instrument is the 3D X-ray. Indeed, this equipment allows us to look at the image from different angles and to check the integrity of hidden solder connections on the PCBA, such as BGA balls. The PCB can be checked for the alignment of the layers or for voids in the via holes. Quadra 3 is a high-quality 3D X-ray inspection machine to detect a wide range of manufacturing defects, including BGA, QFN, and IGBT attachment, PTH filling, interfacial voiding, component cracking, and counterfeit device screening. Thanks to the X-ray images, we can quickly see if every lead of the component has received the proper amount of solder. If we want to know if that solder did make a connection, we have to use an angled view, which tells us if there is a connection. This equipment can also do a CT scan, which allows us to rotate around the board and reconstructs the image. For more information, contact us directly or visit our website. iCape Group, the power of precision.